In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add motion tracking to your videos using CapCut. This powerful tool can transform your videos by allowing text or other objects to follow a target within your footage, making your content much more dynamic and engaging. First things first, ensure you have your video clip ready. Open CapCut and import your clip by dragging and dropping it onto the timeline. Positioning your media on the timeline is a crucial first step because it serves as the foundation for all editing enhancements you will apply. Once your clip is in place, you'll move on to the next part, which involves selecting the clip. With the clip selected, you're going to enable motion tracking. Look for the motion tracking option, which is typically visible in the toolbar or panel where most video effects and adjustments can be accessed. Once you've clicked on motion tracking, you'll notice a tracking box that appears over your video. This is your primary tool for telling CapCut what part of the video you want to follow. You will need to drag this tracking box over to the specific object or area in your video that you aim to track. Whether it's a person, a car, a ball, or anything else that moves, make sure the box covers it adequately. A snug fit over the object ensures more accurate tracking results, so take a moment to adjust it properly. After positioning the tracking box, you'll need to initiate the tracking process. Click on the Start Tracking button. CapCut will begin analyzing your footage. During this time, the software meticulously studies your video's frames to determine the movement path of the selected object. Be patient during this process, allowing the program to perform this complex analysis. Now let's add some dynamic text to your video. Insert a text box on the timeline, just as you would usually do for any titles or annotations. This text box can contain any message, title, or even fun facts you wish to display that will follow the object of interest. The key step here is linking your newly created text box to the tracking path identified earlier. This connection ensures that the text box follows your chosen object's path throughout the clip. Finally, once linked, you'll see the remarkable result. The text will seamlessly move, tracing the tracked object's trajectory, making the final video more engaging and visually appealing. This feature can particularly enhance videos where you want to emphasize moving elements or make your narrative more interactive. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to apply motion tracking in CapCut. With a little practice, this technique can significantly enhance your storytelling by guiding your viewers' focus and adding a professional touch to any project. Happy editing!